Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to find directories and files taking up the most disk space on Linux. The do command allows you to check disk usage from the command line. Used alone, it will recursively go through each child directory and show its size. However, if you pair it with a few other commands, you can narrow down your search. The following command will show the top directories, which are eating up more disk space. And this command will place the largest directories at the top of the list. A good way to narrow down the search is to limit the do command to only the top directories. This allows you to discover which top-level directory is taking up the most space. Then you can change the directory into it and do another run. Here we tell the do command to only go one directory deep. Now we know that the cache folder is storing the most data. We can change directory and run to see which subfolder is using the most capacity. This method is especially helpful when you have large amounts of directories. By default, the do command only shows directories. With the following command, as you can see, it is now reporting files as well as directories. The do command is not the right tool for the job if we are seeking only files. For this task, we must turn to the find command. ncdu, incurse disk usage, is a Linux program for statistical hard drive capacity. This application will be extremely helpful when you need to determine which folder or file is consuming the most places in the server, the common problem when managing VPS. Firstly, install ncdu. To start checking the capacity of the folder on the machine, use the following command. Wait for about 1 minute for the program to scan the whole folder, then the program will show the folder structure with the capacity. You can use the arrow up and down to select the folder. Click Enter to see details of the subfolder list, or click the I button to view the detailed information of the current folder. To see the details of the control commands of ncdu, press the Shift and question mark button. To escape the program, press the Q button. Wish you use successful and Linux administration more effectively.